Let's go take a look and unboxing at the Remington RX7 shaver. As you can see, there it comes just there in the packet. Let's take it open and have a quick look at it. So there we have the actual shaver itself. Now this is a wet and dry shaver, which means you can use it in the bathroom or use it yourself. They say it can cut your hair in around 2 minutes. You're going to find how effective this is shortly. Lasts for 60 minutes of battery. And there you can see the shaver heads just there as well. Now, pretty simple. Turn it on, hold down the button, comes on. And you can also undo it by actually opening it up. You can actually undo the, as you can see, that's how you can take it off, and you can actually clean out the shaver head doing it that way. Bang it out, gets all the hair out of there too. And to put it back on, quite easy. You just literally go and clip it back on like this, just like that, nice and easy. It also has hair removal cream oil in there for the clippers. And there's USB-C cable as well in there. So nice little device. As you can see, the razor is very, very well built as well. Good grip on it too. And with the 5 blades as well, it gives full coverage over your head. As you can see, it's very flexible as well as it moves around. You've also got this part on here as well that clips up, so you can do like your beard or do other parts you want to use. So just turn it back on and show you guys how that works. So there we go. So there it is going there. And there's the clipper at the top there.